Hi everyone, it's Robin Arbrecht with Really Robin Stamps. And I wanted to pop in here today and I wanted to spend a few minutes with you and talk about the new catalog that's coming soon. And then I wanted to show you what I purchased as my demonstrator pre-order so you can see some of the goodies that they're going to be coming your way very, very soon. So, are you with me? Okay, let's get started. Here's the cover of the brand new catalog. This goes live June 3rd. So I know you need yours like right now, right? So what I have done for you is I have created packets. Anybody that has been a current customer of mine, I have one for you. And it even has your name on it. And what you're gonna get in your catalog packet is obviously your catalog. You're gonna get some chocolate because it'll just be an amazing experience for you. You're going to get a little new in color coach that you can just chop up and put on a little ring. And you're going to get a little bookmark with your in colors as well. So those are waiting for you. Just give me a holler and I'll know that you want to come get one. All right. So let's see what I got in my pre-order. Let's start with the new in color since we just talked about that. These are really fun this year. I think you're going to just really, really enjoy these colors. Okay, so we have 5 brand new colors that I think you're going to just love. We have Bumblebee, which is this very, very pretty yellow color. We have Cinnamon Cider, and that's exactly what it looks like. In fact, it should smell. You should be able to smell that. Just Jade, Magenta Madness, and Moonlight Mist, which is just like a really subtle navy color. It's beautiful. You're gonna love these. So of course we have cardstock to use. We have some new ribbons to go with all of those colors. And this is really thin. It's like a 1/4 inch. It'll be really easy to tie into bows or knots. It's really nice and soft. And then there's some new designer series paper in all the same colors. So you get, remember, 4 designs for each color. So you've got kind of some textures on one side, and you've got dots and a script on the other side. So these are beautiful. And then we have some new enamel dots that are just that perfect tiny little 1/8 inch size to go with all those new colors. So that's very, very exciting. You're gonna love the in colors. All right, so since we just talked about the in colors, I'm gonna go ahead and share one of the new suites that is called Flowers for Every Season. And it has a lot of different elements to it, but I didn't get everything yet, so I have a portion of it. But the really nice thing about this suite is that the designer series paper that coordinates with it has all of the new in colors in the designer series paper. So it's going to be really great if you purchase some of those new colors to really start to play with them with this pack of paper, which you're not seeing here. I don't have that one yet. But these are like Memories and More pre-made cards, and they come in the colors, and then they have the matching envelopes. So this is going to be fun to make some quick cards with. This is the Memories and More pack that has all of the fun pieces that you can use for card making, or you can use for scrapbooking. So the one part of this suite is this bundle, and it's called Jar of Flowers. And it has a jar punch. So that is going to be amazing and fun. I can't wait to play with that. And there are little dome shapes to make shaker cards out of the little jar shape. And of course, you're like, what did I put in there? You don't have to think about it. It's already done for you. Here are these little gems that kind of look like water. They're have a little sparkle to them, a little blue. So that's going to be fun to put in a shaker card. And then there's a ribbon pack that coordinates. So all these come together as one. It's a combo pack, and you get some gingham ribbon, some pretty white linen, and then some thread that has a little metallic in it. It's really, really beautiful. So this suite is going to be very fun to work with. And then I'm super excited about this bundle. Called the Lovely You bundle, and it's the stamp set, and then this punch that's called Lovely Labels Pick-a-Punch. And I don't know if you can see here all the tracks. There's 3 tracks for both of these sizes, so you can get 6 different sizes of labels, and they each have a different topper or an edge to them, so you can make tags, you can make labels, and of course they coordinate with the greetings in the stamp set, and I love this. This is like one of my favorite things so far. In fact, I put it on the back of everybody's catalog. That's what I decorated with on the catalog because I just love it. So it's got, trust me, you're lovely, cherished friend, miles apart, still in my heart. Love is what makes us family. Wildly grateful, you're my person, just because. Let's cheer you up. So it's very timely. Like these greetings are going to be I think they're going to be timeless. Actually, you're going to be able to use this set for a long, long time. So that is one bundle I got. And then this one's called the Many Mates bundle. And it has this really interesting die set that's going to create all of these. I haven't used any of this stuff yet, so I'm just, imagining and seeing what I've seen in the catalog, but it has all these really interesting shapes. So I'm looking forward to playing with that. This isn't usually something that I would go with necessarily. It's not my first choice, but I was really intrigued. I feel like Stampin' Up's done a great job of coming up with some really interesting dies this year, so I can't wait for you to see them. And then, of course, this goes with a greeting set, and I kind of decided I'm going to buy a lot of my stamp sets based on the greetings, because I'm always that's the most important part of the card to me. And I want to make sure I have, great greetings. And here's a beautiful happy anniversary, birthday, of course, thinking of you, get well soon, congrats, celebrate. So it's all occasion greetings. I can't have enough of those. So super excited about that bundle. And then there's a new bird set, which is really pretty. It's the distinctive style of stamps, and it has dies to go with it that are just gorgeous. And my name's Robin. It's it's a bird. I had to get it. I just had to get it. All right, let's see what's next. All right, so this suite of products is called In Good Taste. And so there's a stamp set bundle with Tasteful Touches. Again, gorgeous, gorgeous greetings. And then all of these beautiful little kind of background, just these elements that I think are going to be really fun to layer together. And then it comes with these labels that are called, let me see, Tasteful labels, of course. And so they have detail on them. Some of them are stitched, some of them are embossed, and they coordinate obviously with the stamp set, but you're going to be able to use them for all kinds of things. And then this paper pack, oh my goodness. This paper pack is called In Good Taste Designer Series paper, and it's all pictures of textures and patterns. I don't know if you can kind of see as I'm flipping through there. It is delightful. Tiles and wood grains. This paper is so nice to be able to use. And this is an extra big pack of paper, so you get more designs and you get 2 of each. So I think there must be 12, so you get 24 sheets. Awesome, right? That's gonna take you a long way. And then there's a new embossing folder that also has to do with texture called Tasteful Textile, and you really can't see that. This is one that you'll have to do on paper. As soon as I play with it, I'll show you. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to kind of look like to me, right, just looking at it right now, it kind of reminds me of like some of the furniture, you know, that kind of has that little bit of texture to it. And then there are some wood elements that are going to be really pretty to add into this kind of combination. So I'm really excited about this suite a lot. Did I already say that? I probably already said that about all the other ones, but I'm very excited. It's always really rejuvenating to get new stuff and to be able to play with it. All right, so this suite of products is called World of Good. And I was really excited to see this stamp set because my daughter loves all things travel and globes, and she's supposed to be getting married in a couple weeks, and she still is, but we've had to, you know, redo the, you know, replan it, unplan it and replan it. And anyway, this, I think we're going to be able to work into kind of the theme that she had going for her wedding. So I'm kind of excited about that. Plus, it's just a great stamp set with these greetings. Again, you make the world a better place. Like, who doesn't need to send that card? Congratulations on this new beginning. Thank you for being a part of mine. Life's a beautiful journey. Like, that's just really fun. And then you've got the dies, so you can get the whole earth, both sides of the globe, a little feather, a little scripty piece. This is just going to be really fun to collage. There's a special embossing folder called Old World Paper, and this is going to look like you crumpled up your paper and then laid it back on flat. It's going to be great. And then the paper that coordinates with this stamp set is called World of Good, and it has, if I can open it, it has brass foil in it on some of the pages. All right, so let's see if you can see this. Got the globes, you've got the latitude and longitude. Yeah, it's a map. These are all foiled, and then the other side, of course, has all the beautiful, you know, smaller prints and textures. So pretty. And it's a really great set of colors that coordinate together. You'll be able to use it for all different occasions, and especially it'll kind of lend itself to make a masculine card very, very easily. And then to coordinate with this, there's some foiled pieces. So hopefully that's not too shiny. But anyway, you got card fronts with foil. You got this greenery. It's all beautiful. So you can use it with this one, and then I'm going to show you another stamp set that you can use it with as well. But it's going to be just gorgeous. There are some ribbon, what do we call these? The little ribbon slides, and then the corners to just kind of give it an antique feel, and that's meant to coordinate with this faux suede ribbon, which really does feel like suede. It's so soft. So that is going to be very fun. All right, last one here. This is called Forever Greenery Suite. And again, this one also coordinates with this. So you've got the greenery pieces that you can use to add a touch of gold to all of this. Here's a look at the stamp set, Forever Fern. These are distinctive stamps, so they're going to stamp very beautifully, and you'll get to see the texture, you know, without having to color. You can just use your ink pads, and it's going to look beautiful. Beautiful greetings. And then there is a set of dies that goes with it that will coordinate with some of these pieces, and then cut out some extra, you know, fern-like pieces. So that's so beautiful. There are mini embossing folders. There are these fun gold hoops. Can't wait to play with those. and this set of ribbon, which has a little gold twine and then kind of like a off-white gauze type ribbon. So that's really, really pretty. And then here's this designer series paper. It's got, I'll show you this side first. Lots of leaves, the ferns, like that. Beautiful, beautiful colors. And then the other side has a little bit smaller patterns. Isn't that fun? So this has garden green, the new Just Jade, pear pizzazz, pretty peacock, shaded spruce, soft seafoam. So like all the greens. That's probably what I'll end up calling it, is all the greens. Because I can't ever remember all the names, so. All right, so that is that. So I know you are anxious to dive in and check out the catalog and see for yourself what is new in there, because there's more than what I just showed you. This was just some of the things we could order. There's a lot more. So I look forward to hearing from you, and we'll talk again soon. Thank you. Bye.